In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable TeamViewer notifications if pop-ups or alerts keep pulling your attention away during remote sessions. This quick walkthrough will show you how to quiet them from inside the app so you can focus on your work. Start by launching the TeamViewer application on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so the home screen and toolbar are visible. At the top right of the window, look for the gear icon or the settings label. Click that to open the main settings panel. This is where you control most of the app's behavior, including what it shows and when it notifies you. Inside the settings panel, find the advanced area. Depending on your version, you may see an advanced section in the left-hand sidebar or an advanced tab. Click it to move into the more detailed configuration options. Many of TeamViewer's deeper controls are grouped here to keep the basic view clean. Next, select Open Advanced Settings. This expands additional options that aren't shown by default, and it's the place where notification controls are available. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the page. Some versions tuck it a little lower in the list. Now, go to the Account section within these advanced options. This area governs how TeamViewer interacts with your account and the kinds of alerts it sends while you're signed in. Look for the notification-related options here. You'll see 3 checkboxes for messages, sign-ins, and case changes. To disable notifications, uncheck all 3. This turns off alerts about incoming messages, notifications about when sign-ins occur, and updates related to case or ticket changes. If the wording looks slightly different on your screen, that's fine. Just make sure the message, sign-in, and case change items are all cleared. Once you've unchecked those 3 options, confirm the change by clicking OK. This saves your preferences and closes the settings panel. The changes take effect immediately, so you won't be interrupted by those specific TeamViewer alerts going forward. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your interface looks a bit different, you're likely on another version or platform, but the path is the same. Open Settings, go to Advanced, open Advanced Settings, then Account, and clear the 3 notification checkboxes. And remember, you can always come back here and re-enable any item later if you decide you want certain alerts again. That's it. Your TeamViewer notifications are now disabled. Enjoy a quieter, more focused remote session experience.